Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a cute, simple look and I'm super excited for this video, so keep on watching. Okay, so today I'm gonna go in with a Natasha Denona Sunset palette. So this palette is now back in stock, pretty much back in stores, like with Sephora and everything. So that's awesome. There are alternatives to the colors that I'm using today, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. There's certain colors in there that you could use. So I'm gonna go in with the color Sanea. I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure, but just go ahead and put that into the crease and just go ahead and blend this shade out. This shade is so pretty, like it's an orangey tone, and I'm just obsessed with these kind of tones, especially going into fall. And with that same color, so now I'm going to put this in the lower lash line, the lower lash, I should say, and just blend that out. And you guys, I'm only using one brush. Like for this whole eyeshadow look, I'm using one brush. I believe this is from Crown Brushes. It's the C4 112 Deluxe Pointed Crease Brush, and it's so fluffy, and I just love this brush to blend. Okay, so going back into the Natasha Denona palette, I'm going to go in with Bermuda. This has to be one of my favorite shades in this palette. It's like a muted kind of pink shade, extremely beautiful. Like I feel like this look is like transitioning into fall, but you kind of don't want it to be fall yet because we're putting like a hint of pink in there. Like spring and summer just left us, you know. So these lashes right here, the Dodo, these are the D115. Don't sleep on these lashes. Like, look how pretty they are. It's so fluffy and full, and they just have so many different styles. I'll go ahead and link Dodo lashes at the bottom of the description box down below. So I went ahead and took Rimmel in the nude and put that in my waterline. And now I'm going to go in with the NARS Climax mascara. This mascara, y'all, like, it's good. Like, it's so nice. It's black, it's lengthening. I just love the way it looks on my lashes, and I love putting it on my lower lashes as well. Makes them super long, and I just love that look of having just mascara on. It's so beautiful. And I'm going in with the liquid lipstick today with Stila in the shade Carmelo. It's a really pretty pink nude shade. And these are just like the tones that I'm pretty much going for, is like a nude pink kind of like going into summer to fall vibe. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed this fast tutorial where it's super easy. All you need is 2 shades. Go ahead and follow me on my social accounts. I'll go ahead and link those down. That way you can kind of keep in touch of kind of what I'm up to. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.